The law offices of Odelia Goldberg provides a full range of legal services in the areas of estate planning, probate and trust administration, incapacity planning, guardianships, and real estate law. And Odelia, what is probate and how can it be avoided?
So probate is the process where someone acts as the personal representative and administers a will or goes according to the laws of Florida or New York to administer an estate. So it talks about getting someone's assets together, paying off creditors, paying the beneficiaries, paying taxes, and then closing out the estate. There's really many ways to avoid probate. It is an important thing to consider because probate in Florida and in New York tends to be a little bit tedious at times. It could be costly and time-consuming, and quite often people don't want to wait for the entire process. So we've got several tools that we utilize to avoid the probate process. We use a lot of trusts. We use a lot of corporate documentations. But what we do is we shuffle around the assets so that the assets themselves know where to go, so that the person doesn't rely on the courts to determine who's going to be acting as the personal representative or who's going to be guardian of the minor children. And we have the plan in place already.
So I've been named, I've been named executor in a will.
Mm-hmm.
What do I do now?
So probably the first thing to do is to contact an attorney who can help you and guide you through the process. It could be a little bit daunting. There's not much that a person could do named executor or personal representative without letters testamentary from the courts. Because the letters testamentary are actually the documents that allow the person to act on behalf of the estate. So we would petition the court to get these letters. And once the letters are in hand, then we could go to the financial institutions and start moving the assets. So that's really the first step, is to make sure that you declare someone as personal representative or executor and then get those letters.
Now, how does someone obtain the testamentary letters?
It is actually a court proceeding, but we don't really go in front of a judge. What we do is we draft papers, we get signatures, and then we e-file them and submit them to the courts. The judge would actually sign the papers, mail them back to us, and then depending on how many originals we need, those are the documents that actually go to the banks, go to the insurance companies, go to the individual beneficiaries even, to let them know that the person has the powers they need.
It all starts by contacting the law offices of Odelia Goldberg.
Thank you.